A 28-year-old Singapore man has been sentenced to 25.5 years in jail, plus 24 strokes of the cane. But the length of the punishment is only one part of this case. What deserves closer attention is how he repeatedly found young girls online, even after receiving clear signs that they were underage. Edmund Tan Shi Hui was sentenced on July 27th. The court heard that he met 3 girls through Telegram and the online video platform Omegle. All 3 were just 13 years old at the time. Between March 2022 and July 2023, Tan committed sexual offenses against them on 8 separate occasions. He offered payments ranging from 100 Singapore dollars to 500 Singapore dollars. Some meetings happened at his home. Others took place in public locations, including toilets and staircase landings. Tan faced 16 charges. He pleaded guilty to 6 charges of statutory rape. Another 10 charges were considered during sentencing. One detail made the case especially disturbing. After his arrest in August 2023, investigators found that Tan had kept a diary recording his spending on paid sexual activities involving 17 girls. 3 of them were below the age of 14. This suggests the offenses were not one impulsive mistake. There was a repeated pattern of searching, arranging meetings, making payments, and keeping records. The online element also matters. The conversations sometimes began on one platform before moving to private chats, where meetings could be arranged away from public view. This does not mean every online platform is unsafe, but it shows how quickly an apparently casual conversation can become dangerous when a child is speaking to an adult whose intentions are hidden. In at least one case, Tan knew the girl was younger than the age she had first claimed. Another victim directly told him that she was 13 and still attending school. He continued anyway. The defense argued that a sentence of 14 years and 12 strokes would have been enough. It also pointed out that the maximum punishment for commercial sex with a minor is lower than the maximum punishment for rape. The judge rejected that reasoning. He said Parliament created the law on paid sex with minors to give young people additional protection. The larger point is important. Money does not make exploitation less serious. A child may agree to meet someone or accept payment, but the adult still carries responsibility for recognizing the age difference and stopping. Parents and schools cannot monitor every online conversation. Platforms also cannot prevent every private meeting. That makes early education essential. Young people need to understand that adults offering money, gifts, or secrecy online may be testing boundaries rather than showing kindness. Adults must also understand that claimed ages on social media are not a defense when there are obvious warning signs. Do you think online platforms are doing enough to detect adults who repeatedly approach underage users? Share your views below and support 2230 by liking this video, sharing it, and subscribing for more trusted news explainers.